So this for the last section is just something that I really wanted to talk about, and it's just really how interactive this course was. This course was really about us. So it was us doing the readings. It was us, of course, we had to do the readings. No one else is going to do that for us, but I meant it like, I liked it because this course really gave us a facilitation and access of a lot of different things. It gave us access to things like Screenomatic, like we have here, S'more, the Bitmojis, and also writing the lesson plans, a lot of different readings that we had, a lot of videos that we could have had, a lot of help that the professor always said was available for us. All of this was really helpful for us, and I feel like this class, although it was difficult, I feel like a lot of my classes feel it was a really difficult class. I feel like we did the best that we could, and our videos and lessons came out pretty well overall. I liked everyone's lesson overall. Everyone did a really fantastic job. I really liked looking at all of those. And also, I just want to say that this class was pretty fun overall. I will not lie, the 3 hours were a bit exhausting at times, and I felt like some of the classes were a bit slow because um we were going like the learning objective. I know we really had to get it down, so it was something that we really had to go over. I felt like sometimes it was just like a lot of work having to go over the learning objective over and over again, so it was a bit overwhelming, a bit tiring. It was just kind of irritating at times that we couldn't, me and my teammates, we really couldn't get it down, so it was pretty hard to do overall. So I just feel like my group did the best that we could. Everyone did the best that we could, even though we were all struggling. I feel like we all struggled together, and I feel like overall this course is hard, so we really shouldn't beat on ourselves too much. And I just want to say that it was a pretty fun class, although very, very difficult at times. Yeah.